guys, I'm back in a video, and today I'm going to be playing some Avakin Life. So, yeah, but today, a lot of y'all have been pinning that y'all have been wanting to see me play Avakin Life, and y'all can finally see me play Avakin Life. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm going to be watching different types of videos. I'm going to be opening a lot of mystery boxes. So yeah, but I'm just gonna watch this video right now. Let's see how it turns out. But y'all have been requesting that y'all want to see me do different types of videos. Actually, so y'all can hear. But this video's gonna be pretty long, so just stay tuned. If y'all want to go follow me, not follow me, but like, comment, subscribe, do all that craziness. I'm gonna move the camera down here, but like I said, guys, let's see what we get. Really? I do not want no statue. But anyways, y'all see my amount. I don't really like doing stuff like that on Avakin Life. I like to, most of the times I'm spinning my stuff. That was a long time ago. But alright, but anyways, what we doing is going to a fiber offer, and it's gonna be crazy. So I'm going.
Thank you for choosing the Companionship Collective. You'll find your
Most of these apps are grown-up apps, so most of the time. But I've already did all of that stuff. But anyways, video offer by Tapjoy. And yeah, so this is my face cam right here. If y'all don't see it, I'm moving it around. Alright, but guys, I was moving my face cam around. I'm gonna keep it.
Best Buy Memorial Day sale. Shop safely in store or online.
I can literally put it anywhere. Let's see how much avocos I got. Let's see. Right. I don't know if y'all care. I don't know. But let's see how much avocado they gave me 27 coins. Okay, but we're gonna open up another mystery box. Let's see what they got today. They got common, which is the wing of bat, and they have, let's see, the wizard's tome. The wizard's tome for female, baby shimmer light. That's exclusive, rare, and common, rare, exclusive. So it goes by like a pattern, common to rare to exclusive. So exclusive is basically the most rarest. Like it's basically another rare item, but it's exclusive. So it's those two at the same time. But like I said, guys, y'all, if y'all don't normally watch my videos, let me know.
I do my head talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head talk. This rich nigga dick, it ain't free. She be throwing that at you, she good at it. Turn around when we fuck, make her look at it. Shit.
I need some of my belly. You know, on my mouth. I just want to have it had a cop in it. I need some of my belly. Feeling that good in my mouth while she's swerving that whip had a cop in it. Oh. Did you just give me a cowboy rug? Oh my gosh. Just gave me a cowboy rug. What do you think I want to do with a cowboy rug? Oh my god. Gotta focus. There. I'm trying to get it to actually focus. But I'm also gonna watch another mystery box. So it will be better camera connection. Alright, that's better, guys. But y'all can hear me better, by the way. So, yeah, but I did have that muted. But that was a fast ad. So, I don't know why they be making their ads fast now. It's just weird. Like, their ads used to be so slow. Like, hour ads or something like that. Like, really long minute ads. Let's see what we get. I mean, it's okay, but I do not want 10 diamonds. No. I remember we went to the fiber offer. The fiber offer, offer, not offer. But, like I said, if y'all want a chance to win some of these items right here, like right here, or right here. Let's see.
Here's your evening attire.
Is this a joke?
No, it's our prom night. It's the night that you and I are gonna fall in love.
Yeah, I'm recording. What a peculiar thing.
I know you love me as much as I love you. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm sorry if I have given you the wrong idea.
We are perfect for each other.
Yeah, I just cut my camera off, y'all. But y'all was gonna be able to still hear me.
Has said it all. Since I moved in, don't fight this.